Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Kiero himself here, back for another video, and I'm sure you read by the title already. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play UFL Mobile on a device that is not a mobile. If you didn't know, I released a video previously on how to get UFL Mobile in unsupported regions, and that video went crazy. But what went crazier was the comments. There was a lot of people asking me, well, apart from the Apple questions, we had a lot of people saying that my device is not supported, So I'm going to show you how to play this game on a different device, and what do I mean by that is I'm going to be using my laptop. This right here is my HP ProBook 450G6. Now I know what you must be thinking, Kieran, that is a bit overkill. Of course it's going to be running on a laptop like this. But I would also like to let you know that I've run this game, the testing, well actually I did the initial testing on my older laptop from years ago, and that would be the HP 250G7, not even the 255 with the Ryzen CPU, no, the 250 standard Intel, and the game worked perfectly. So I'm going to be showing you how to install it on this PC or your normal PC if you'd like. And without any more yapping, let's go, guys. Yes guys, so here we are on my home screen, on my browser should I say, and let's continue, or let's start off this tutorial. So basically UFL is only available in India and Indonesia, like I said in my previous video, but that's not a problem because in the previous video we used a certain VPN, and that VPN was called Urban VPN. So once you Google Urban VPN, you'll see these over here. You can click on this one, or you can click on the normal home one. I go usually for the normal home one, and I would like to download the app for your operating system. We're not going to use it in the browser only, we need the app. So that is the Urban VPN app downloading right now, and as you can see, the Urban VPN setup will start running, and you can go ahead and agree to all of this. So basically what Urban VPN is going to be doing is changing our entire PC's location to either India or Indonesia, not just the browser and not just the Android emulator, the entire PC. So once it's done, we're gonna start launching it. We're gonna start to launch it. We're gonna launch it. I don't know English, man, English. So let me minimize all these other tabs here so you guys don't get confused. And there we are on our normal homepage with Urban VPN open. You're gonna go ahead, click on continue for free, and then obviously you know the countries we need to be in, either India or Indonesia. I like going for the Indonesian service. Before you do all of this, as you can see, I am connected to Indonesia. Before you do all of this, I'm going to assume that you do not have BlueStacks emulator installed. Right now I do need to hop into this video real quick to tell you that every link you will ever need in this tutorial will be in the link in the description of the video. I'm giving you this information and helping you out for free, and all I ask for in return is a subscribe and maybe a like, because that is also for free. Now back to the video. There are two Android emulators that I like using. One is called BlueStacks, and the other one that I'm thinking about is called Game Loop. Game Loop is usually used for Call of Duty Mobile. This is the one you want to use. This is the official emulator for Call of Duty Mobile and most other mobile games from Tencent. Official. If you play BlueStacks, if you play Call of Duty on BlueStacks, you will be banned like how I was. Use the official emulator, which is Game Loop, but in this case we're going to be using BlueStacks. If you do not know how to install BlueStacks, all you're gonna do is type in your BlueStacks X MSI, and then that will bring up the BlueStacks and MSI app player crossover, which is far better than the normal BlueStacks. I did showcase this in my previous video with TLS Soccer running on my PC, and this is just the better thing to run instead of normal BlueStacks. So make sure to download this. Link will be in the description below. Oh, and because we connected over here, what we can do to test this is basically go back into your browser and then just search what's my IP. So you're basically gonna search what's my IP exactly like that. It shouldn't be a big whoop. The first link would be what'smyipaddress.com, and if it picks up your actual location, you know it's not connected. But as you can see, if it look, what is it picking up right now? It's picking up that I'm in Indonesia basically right now. So it shows that I'm actually over here, which means it's connected. So let's go ahead and start our BlueStacks right now. I do want to limit cutting in this video because I do understand that there are guys out there who's been watching tutorials and it doesn't work, and they're under the influence that it's lies or clickbait or something like that. So the editing will be minimal in my tutorial videos, just to build a trust relationship, because at the end of the day, you boys are gonna like and sub. Let's go. There should be BlueStacks over here starting up. Apologies, this laptop is quite slow. It's on the lower end kinda right now. It's on the lower end, so basically if you do have a low end laptop or a potato computer, it should be good enough to run Android games. Okay, it looks like BlueStacks is fully running. Make sure our VPN is still running. We're all good. Just gonna open BlueStacks in a nice bigger picture. I am looking at the games that they have available. Some games they might not have, which means you have to go out and go into the Google Play Store, and then from here, let's check. We should be able to pick up UFL Mobile. Shouldn't be a big whoop. UFL Soccer Game 2026, and this is by the proper, so excuse me guys, excuse me please, UFC Mobile 2. I've never seen that game, but okay. Apologies. We're just gonna click on install, and now while we have UFL installing over there, we can read the comments. There is one bad review. I don't know if you guys want to actually check out the bad review. Let's check it out just to see what people are saying. The control is a joke. When defending, the cursor always randomly switch to the other player at wrong times, making it impossible to press the opponent. Tackling is also very difficult in real matches. Most of the time players only bump into each other, but the ball's still held by the opponent. Only sliding tackle have somewhat effectiveness to stop the ball, which almost always triggers a foul. And if the ball is stopped, the cursor immediately switches to another player that is still 10 meters away. Guys, this guy seems serious about life. I want you guys to try this out, try this tutorial out, and then when you are playing UFL Mobile, come back to my video, come back to this video and let me know in the comments, hey Kiero, this game is absolutely or this game is actually gas, it's actually fire. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video, guys. If you have any questions or anything else related to this topic, let me know in the comments below. It's been your boy Kiero. Peace.